Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Materia Medical series. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all watching my lectures. And please share your feedback after watching the lectures. And please use these medicines in your practice and go through the notes and learn and try to use these medicines in your practice whenever you get to see these type of indications in your clinic. Materia Medica is like a mother in homeopathy. You need to know each and every medicine, small remedies, but because sometimes the people will give you the exact symptom of some small remedy, but due to the lack of a knowledge, we miss that medicines. But if you use those small remedies on the basis of the strong indications of that particular patient, then definitely it will give you the beautiful results. So today I'm going to talk about one more small medicine, that is Eugenia jumbosa. Eugenia jumbosa. I specifically use this medicine for the acne problem. Usually, as a homeopath, we should not prescribe the medicine on the basis of the single symptoms or on the K notes. This is the principle of homeopathy. We need to individualize the case. We need to prescribe the basis on the basis of the totality. Of course, we do, I do, and everyone do the same thing. But sometimes, even after giving the constitutional medicines in acne issues and some cases of in some other issues like a dandruff or all these problems, sometimes it is very difficult to treat these type of patients because we may not get clear-cut mind symptoms in some cases. But if it totality matches, first of all, you need to give on the basis of totality. You need to take the case in a religious way, you need to prescribe. But there are some specific medicines which works like anything for the acne, for skin issues, for dandruff, and these medicines I just want to teach you because I use these medicines a number of so many times, and every time it gives the results empirically. So apart from the totality and the constitutional medicine, but this medicine, sometimes constitutional medicine give relief up to 70% or 80%, but still the situation remains the same. Sometimes people come with blackheads, whitehead problems, or roughness of the skin. Homeopathy has a beautiful scope, and when it comes to the beauty and the skin and hair, nails related issues. At that point of time, you can use this medicine. So this is one of the very important medicine for the acne, skin issues, open pores, whiteheads, blackheads. Very important medicine in these cases. I use this medicine often, especially for the comedones, means especially for the blackheads problems. People come, I go for the beauty clinics, and I spent a lot of money for this open pores and this blackheads, whiteheads, acne. There are some beautiful medicines like Asteria rubens is one of the medicines. Calcarea flor is also there for the acne. There are so many other medicines also. But Eugenia jumbosa is also one of those medicines. When you see the acne with a lot of pain, and these acne issues aggravate before the menses, but if you see some problems in the breast, enlargements or the growths in the breast, and also in the acne, especially in the latter stages, in older women, then you can think about Asteria rubens. But in teenagers, you may think about these medicines. And if you see the big, very painful, very big, hard acne, then you can go for the Calcarea flor fulvex. If you see so many black spots on the skin, then you can ask the patient to take apply the Berberis Equifo mother tincture externally, and ask the same to drink inside, means in 3C potency or 6C potency. When it comes to the Eugenia, you may get to see the pimples are very painful, and not in this area, around the pimple surrounding areas also, patient may feel the pain, pus, with the lots of open pores. One of the medicines for the blackheads, whiteheads problem also. ask them to give your patient and start this medicine with a mother tincture and go and next extend the potency 3C, 6C and so on. So what are the other symptoms, what are the mind symptoms, and how to differentiate this medicine? Not just in acne issues, in some other areas also it gives a good results, like cramps in the limbs, with the cracks in the sole and between the finger. If you so many mothers and so many people who work so hard in the water and all, very often we get to see these type of symptoms, like cracks between the fingers and all. With this acne issues, or the cramps in the soles, you should use this medicine. This is one of the very, very important medicine. What is the keynote of this symptoms? Keynote is nothing but hot lacrimation whenever the patient exposed in the sun. Burning, hot, acrid lacrimation with lot of skin issues, pimples, open pores, and all the symptoms better after urination. Patient feel bit energetic after urination. Patient is feel this Eugenia patients are very sad people, but they feel bit energetic, happy after urination. So this is one of the main indication, and they are like a restlessness is one of the things you may get to see in this patient. Once I used this medicine on the basis of the totality, constitutionally only once I used it, where I see one patient, he came to my clinic and he's not able to sit at one place, like a histamine, like a what is that medicine? Acid sulf. He's just roaming here and there and sitting, standing. And in this medicine, restlessness is also, if patient desire to remain alone, but he can't sit at one place. If he sits and later he sleeps, then he sit back and he stands, he walks, and he can't remain at one place. This is one of the one of the main symptoms of this medicine. And along with this, I noticed that symptom in the patient. I just thought about all the main well-known medicines, like sulfuric acid restlessness, or maybe any other medicines of restlessness. But in this medicine also you can see this restlessness. And when patient came to me, he came to me for his skin rashes and all. Skin rashes, which is not the prominent symptom of this medicine, but he gave me that I feel relaxed after urination. This is one very peculiar thing I got from the patient. That is the reason you need to concentrate on the peculiar things, my friends. If the patient giving any peculiar thing, just repertorize it. That is when you need to take the help of the repertory. Patient is not giving any symptoms, no any mental symptoms. I just observed the restlessness in the waiting hall, and later he came to me for his skin rashes, no any other symptoms, and the patient told me that I feel better, after urination. I feel better after. This is something very peculiar. Emotionally, mentally, he feel better after urination. So after that, I repertorized and I got this beautiful medicine. And later I noticed that this restlessness is one of the main symptoms of this medicine. So nausea ameliorate after smoking. This is also one of the peculiar symptoms. Lacrimation, acrid burning, especially when he exposed in hot sun, morning times, hot lacrimation. Two symptoms. One, he told me that I feel better after urination, and the second symptom, this lacrimation. And these are all the very, very important symptoms of this medicine. And without second thought, I prescribed that medicine, and the patient absolutely fine after taking the medicine. I prescribed in 6C potency. And for acne, I use this medicine whenever I see painful acne. I use this medicine. especially if I see more open pores, small acne, filled whole forehead, and cheeks with more open pores, blackheads, whiteheads. I use this medicine. I'll always start with mother tincture, then extend the potency. So limbs, 90 cramps in the sole and the feet, fissures between the toes, skin recedes from the nails, forming pus, cramps like paralytic pain in the tibia and in the heels or hot ants. I prescribed this medicine in whenever I see the rashes between the fingers, along with if there is any history of the cramps or cramps in the feet, plus skin issues in the feet, especially the cracks between the fingers with the cramps, use this medicine. This is the keynote of this medicine, which I often use. That is the main symptom, whatever I am teaching, whatever I am saying, or the main clinical tips. So please note it down and use it in your practice, and you will for sure you will get a beautiful results. So acne, comedones, the pimples are painful for some distance around. Suffering occur especially in the evening and at the night. An old wound from the thrust became painful again. Rheumatic pains wander from place to place with the catarrh. Nausea better from smoking. Nausea better from smoking is one of the very peculiar keynote. And second thing, acrid lacrimation whenever the patient exposed in the light hot sun. And the third point, what is that? Yeah, smoking. The nausea better by smoking, lacrimation, and urination. Yeah, patient feel better after urination. Loquacity is one of the very important symptom. Loquacity, loquacious, just like a lactic acid, just like a hyoscyamus. This is also one of the loquacious. So many medicines are there, but you need to see this totality in patients. Sometimes if I get the strong indication of the medicine, strong, peculiar, bold letters indication, even if two symptoms matches, prescribe the medicine. Especially patient mind level is not affected deeply. If the patient is giving the deep mind indication of the small remedies, then also you can go with that, even if there are no any physical symptoms are marked much. Like I prescribed in one of the case of the skin issues, which was not the peculiar or the clearly described in this medicine, but the mind symptom is matching, like the restlessness better after urination, and these 1, 2 or 3 physical general symptoms. Yeah, delusion, imagination, beautiful urination after all things, or this is, as I told you, very important thing. Patient feel better after urination. Head rolling in when vomiting aggravates. Eruption face acne rosacea, eruption face acne simplex, eruption face comedones, eruption face itching, eruption on forehead during the menses, nausea, evacuation after smoking, soles pain, cramps worst at PM evening times, acne simplex, hard pressing sides, board like a heavy, vision, confusion of vision, dazzling urination after. These are all the main, only 4 or 5 symptoms are there, my friends. But you understand this medicine. If you get these specific symptoms strongly, use this medicine. You might be thinking that who will come and say this all this symptom, whether we get chance to use this medicine. Of course you will get chance to use this medicine once you your knowledge toward in the home materia medica enhances. What your eyes will see what your mind knows, otherwise you will just skip that particular symptom. You start repertorizing and you may confuse in selecting the medicines. Of course repertory also helps us so many times. If we don't have any clue, then repertory somehow helps. But even to differentiate one medicine with other, you should have the knowledge of the materia medica. And if you have the proper knowledge of the materia medica, and if you know how to when and how to repatriate the guest, then you can see more patients in less time with more accuracy. So I want to I just try to teach teach my level best, as whatever I know, whatever the knowledge I acquired in these years, everything to you. And this is the thing, this is whatever I know about this medicine. So use this medicine and write to me, and I'll share the notes as well. Go through the notes and write down and start using this medicine, and write your feedback after watching the lecture, and write your feedback after giving this medicine to your patients. Thank you so much.